All right, now the 2314.73 point loss for the day, down 1.27%. लेकिन market closed almost where it opened. It's a doji. तो ये सारा intraday loss, ये सारा cap down loss की वजह से हुआ है most of the loss. Otherwise, there's just indecision around the 180,000 mark. But in this process, narrative ये है कि 20-day exponential moving average break हुई है for the first time since May 20. यहाँ पे देखें. So change of trend हो रहा है कि नहीं? Let's see. This has happened on below average volume. Shows short-term structure. Shows कि the move did not have aggressive selling participation. उसके अलावा momentum को देखें, MACD 5267 well below its average. RSI well below its average. MACD line below signal line, histogram red expanding. Short-term momentum is fading. Trend भी जो build हो रहा था पिछले session वो भी कम हो रहा है 2192. So all in all, the gap down open inflicted clear technical damage, pushing the index below 10 and 20-day exponential moving averages. However, a small intraday candle and subdued volume shows consolidation rather than outright capitulation. अब जरूरी क्या है कि short term basis में अगर ये 10 और 20-day exponential moving averages का जो zone है 180,133 to 181,966 ये capture करना जरूरी है on high volume and strong momentum. Otherwise, 50-day exponential moving average 175,144 remains the key broader support.